Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Next week, so kind of talking about that race, and it's a fun one, and I got to experience some Bills Mafia and NASCAR fans.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Go NASCAR. Sweet. Run a couple of routes.
What up, man? Pleasure, dog. Yeah, welcome in. It's not your first time in Buffalo, right?
Yeah.
Or Rochester.
Yeah.
So, when I got only express card, yep. Whatever what you need, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate you guys.
When's the best time to
all had the same amount of hours.
Except that I'm going to add, I have a couple other things I'm going to add to it. Like, oh, you're here. Sorry, I thought you might be walking over there. Give that guy your
Fans have kind of associated me with the Bills Mafia, and it's super cool to to see that, and it was just awesome seeing the whole campground area just packed with Bills fans, and then I remember leaving the track. You know, a lot of the Mafia was kind of cheering us on, my whole team, and that was really cool to see and experience. And I talked about it a little earlier, but just having other fans of other sports kind of introduced into our sport and vice versa is incredibly important. It's going to be an awesome day getting to see these guys up close, and yeah, getting to meet a few guys. So looking forward to that, and looking forward to being back down here in a couple weeks. This was a ton of fun last year. We had some beautiful weather. It was a great race for me. Finished 5th last year, and felt I had a shot at winning, and so hopefully we can repeat that. being in contention and having a shot at a Cup Series race win is never easy to do. And so to hopefully repeat that this year and work on our road course program some more over the next couple weeks and apply that when we are back down here, I think it's going to be incredibly important. And yeah, I mean, it's getting real close to the end of trying to win and advance into the playoffs. So hopefully we can do that before Watkins Glen, but I would love to do it there. Josh Allen, I guess, being from California, making it to the top of his sport was big for me to kind of relate to, and I thought that was awesome.
So today, the team at Watkins Glen International and our NASCAR driver Zane Smith are here to collaborate with the Bills, and we're just here to introduce folks to NASCAR, and we have a collaboration event going on, and we're excited about doing that, raising the energy for our NASCAR Cup weekend starting August 8 through 10. A couple weeks ago, we had Deon down to the track, and he spent some time with us during our IMSA event. So we're back at it again, and we will hopefully continue to nurture the relationship because our fan base does cross in multiple ways.